how to change the timer alert sound on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here, open up the clock application. Next, tap on the option key at the top, and from the pop-up menu, tap on settings. In the clock settings screen, you want to swipe up to go down. Go down to the timer section and tap on sound. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then in the list here, you can select a different sound for your timer alert. So simply swipe up and down and select one of the sound. You can also change the volume of your alert sound by dragging on the alert bar at the bottom here. Alright, so after that you can tap on the back key, and that is how you can change the timer alert sound on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now there is a toggle button on the right hand side, so you can tap on it to turn on or turn off the sound for the timer. And after that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.